your maths teacher from class nursery. This is your maths book opening. Book page number 22. Today we revise previous work. Revision time. Trace and write. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at here. How to trace number 1. Start from dot. Draw a standing line. This is number 1. How to trace number 2. Start from dot. 2 is must sit down. This is number 2. How to trace number 3. Start from dot. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. Trace and read the numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Look at here. How to write number 1. Start from dot, draw a standing line and go stop here. How to write number 2. Start from dot, 2 is must sit down. How to write number 3. Start from dot, 3 is round and round. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Again read and write number 1. Start from dot, go a standing line and stop here. Start from dot, 2 is must sit down. Start from dot, 3 is round and round. 1, 2, 3. Okay student, trace and write these numbers. This is your today's work. Allah Hafiz.